Hello everyone, I want to show you today how to find your static mesh actor in the scene. For this example I will using this static mesh, the Statue of Liberty, and I will find it from the level blueprint. So for that, first we have to give a tag to this static mesh actor. So that will be one actor tag. We select the mesh and go to the tags, and when you click on the actor, you go down and see we have a tag here. We will create one, and let's say we'll write down SOL for the State of Liberty, and that will be our tag. What we're searching in the scene for it, and when we find it, we will give the name of the static mesh actor. So now we give this tag. I want to show you one more thing. Go to general and searching for a tag. We will see here we have one-time tags by actor. It's an actor tag, and we'll search for it. We have one more time here the component tags. We don't use this one. It's very important to write down the tag on the actor tags. So now we'll open level blueprint, and we'll start to searching for it when we start the game. We were searching for all the static mesh actor who have this tag in our game. So we need first to get all actor with tag. We'll write down our tag, and here we will become one array with all static mesh actor what are found in the scene. We want to go through this array and print out the name of them. So we need to go for each loop. And we want to print out the name. Print string. We let it on the screen for 10 seconds. And we get the display name and print it out. Let's compile it. Now, and let's start the game. And we see here, we found here our static mesh actor and print the name out. If we have two, let's make just one copy of that. We have now two. We start again. The blueprint script find the both static mesh actors. Let's delete this one. And I want to show you also how to find it like a blueprint. You can using the same technique. But let's delete the tag. Just delete it. Let's create one blueprint from this static mesh. We created this blueprint. Now when we go to our level blueprint, we disconnect the script, and we can search for the class of the blueprint. get all actor of class. And here we will searching for the Stage of Liberty blueprint. That is this blueprint what we created now. Now again we will go through the array with for each loop, print out the name of the blueprint what we found. Print string, connect the array element, we get the display name and print it out. Let's push it down like that and start the game. Zack. We have here, we saw it very fast. Start again and let it on the screen for like 20 seconds. Compile and start again. So we found now our blueprint. We can create for a test a second one, like somewhere here. And when we start the game, we receive of Liberty blueprint and Statue of Liberty blueprint too. You have two ways to find your objects in the scene. One way to find the static mesh actor by tag, and one way to find the blueprint by class. Thank you for watching, and I hope that was helpful for you.